All right, guys. Let's start working on some problems about distance. Okay, how to find the distance between 2 points. If we have 8 comma 3, 4 comma 0, how do I find the distance between these 2 points? Okay, you can use Pythagorean theorem. If it's on the graph and make a triangle, use the Pythagorean theorem. Or the other thing is you can label each point. Each point has x and y. All right, so each point has x and y. X and y. And label it x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, that's the very first step you do. You just label the points. Second thing is you write the formula. We need to find the distance. So d equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. All of it under the radical. Make sure it's under the square root. Okay. Now let's substitute. So x2, we have it already 4 minus 8 squared plus 0 minus 3 squared equals, let's simplify, 4 minus 8, negative 4. When you square it, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 0 minus 3 is negative 3. When you square it, you get 9. When you add it, you get 25. What's the square root of 25? It's a perfect square. It is 5. So the distance between these 2 points is 5 units. Okay, so you just place 5 units in here. So let's write 5 right here and submit. Okay, let's try another one. The very first step, you have to label. Each point has x and y. X and y. x1, y1, x2, y2. Formula. Second step is the formula. D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay? Everything is under the radical. Make sure it is under the square root. Equals, let's substitute. So you get negative 5 minus 7. Pay attention to the sign, whether it's positive or negative. Plus 9 minus 0 squared. Okay? Square root of negative 5 minus 7. Same sign, add and keep, right? So you get negative 12. When you square it, you get 144 plus 9 minus 0 is 9. And when you square it, you get 81, right? Okay. So you have in here, you have 81. And so you have 144 plus 81, you get 225. 225 is a perfect square, which is 15, right? So it's still a perfect square, which is 15 times 15 is 225. Oops. Let's go back to the number and put the 15 right there. Okay. One last one. Okay. First thing, you have to label it. Each point has x and y. So you put xy, xy. 1, 1, 2, 2. So second step, write the formula. D equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Third step is to substitute. So let's see what we have in here. Pay attention to the sign. Negative 1. Minus negative, right? So minus negative turns to plus. plus 4. Why plus 4, not minus 4? Because the formula has minus and the point x is negative, so minus negative turns to plus, okay? Remember to square it. Plus 9 minus 6. Make sure you put it under the square root. So in here, negative 1 plus 4, like 4 minus 1 is 3. When you square it, you get 9 plus 9 minus 6 is 3. When you square it, you get also 9, right? So you have square root of 18. 18 is not a perfect square, right? But I can get a perfect square out of it, right? Which is 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 2, just to bring it as you see it, square root of 9 is 3. So your final answer has to be 3 square root of 2. That's the distance between these 2 points, okay? So let's see if we can put it right here. We said it is 3 square root of 2, right? So we're gonna put 3, and we have the square root right here, and we're gonna put just number 2, submit. Okay, and that's it for today, and keep practicing, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.